Hi everyone, this is Luna from Sino Holdings Group. Just 2 days ago, our DKM Machinery has released the latest technology. It's low inertia precision injection molding technologies. We call it LIPIN technology. Maybe this technology is not familiar to most of you. Actually, it is a universal technology that can be applied to all types of injection molding machines. So today, I will take you to the scene for watching the application of LIPIN technology on hydraulic injection molding machines. This is one application of LIPIN technology applied to DKM 250-ton injection molding machine. The friends in the injection molding industry should know this. The earliest injection molding machine was invented by Germans, and even now some international latest mechanical processes are still ahead of the world. But this time is different. DKM's LIPIN technology is a global initiative which has obtained 3 PCTs, 5 invention patents, and 3 utility model patents. It's the first time in the field of plastic machinery that DKM has achieved the internationally leading level of invention. Generally speaking, LIPIN technology has 3 characteristics: high precision, high injection speed, and low power consumption. Maybe it's not apparent for you to find the difference between this machine and the other normal machines. Let me show you more details. This is the injection unit of a regular machine. This is the injection unit of our LIPIN machine. We have broken the conventional design thinking and made a comprehensive innovation based on traditional methods, separating the plasticizing power system from the injection moving system. This innovation has reduced the weight of the injection unit by about 70%, thereby proportionally reducing the motion inertia generated during the injection process, reducing the power consumption of the machine and improving the injection accuracy and reaction speed of the machine. Let's take a look at the machine behind me, which is undergoing a precision test. In this precision test, we specially designed a set of open-ended mold. As you know, injection molding is a process of melting plastic raw materials and then injecting them into the mold. In daily production processes, molds are all closed and sealed, similar to setting a wall at the endpoint to limit the filling endpoint of injection molding, so as to control the amount of plastic shoot each time. However, it is not possible to test the accuracy control ability of the machine itself. Therefore, the intention of open-ended mold design is to remove this wall and allow the machine to control each injection volume itself and to do precision test. If the machine is not with high accuracy, the injection volume difference among each shot will be larger. Let's see the big screen. When LIPIN machines are automatic running, we found the weight tolerance of each shot is less than 0.06 gram. It's meaning the repetition accuracy approaches 0.2%. Low inertia injection units, faster machine reaction speed, shorter molding cycle, and higher user productivity. With our electrical plasticizing system, low inertia machines can save 15 to 20% more energy than the common servo machine. High precision, high speed, and low energy consumption are the 3 key targets of injection molding machines, and they are also the future direction. With the global release of DKM LIPIN technology, DKM LIPIN machines has received widespread attention and now in great demand. These machines are ready for shipping to our lucky users. Hopefully, in the near future, DKM technology can serve more and more users in the world. If you are interested, please click likes and comments at the bottom of the screen. If you find it useful, please share it with your friends. Thank you very much.